Looking for your next vehicle and want complete peace of mind? Want to make sure the car you are buying will serve you well, or is it just someone else's problem? Then welcome to Last Check Vehicle Inspection. At Last Check, we perform advanced mobile inspections to provide you with all the information you need before buying a new vehicle. Our qualified inspectors are specially trained to find the smallest defects of the vehicle, even if they are not visible to the naked eye. During the inspection, all parts of the vehicle will get fully checked, including engine condition, body and accident damage, interior and electronics, underbody and all leaks, onboard computer, and all the safety points including tyres and brakes. If your vehicle is an SUV or 4x4, off-road gearbox gets checked only by a 4x4 mechanic. At Last Check, there is no random inspection. Only the right mechanic who is fully qualified on your vehicle type will be appointed to do the job. Whether you have a supercar, a luxury vehicle, or a good old classic car, they get inspected only by the right inspector. So how does it work? It's simple. Just make your booking, inform your seller, and leave the rest to us. We will contact the seller and arrange a time with them. Then we travel to their preferred location and carry out the inspection. After the inspection, your inspector will call you and give you a full verbal report over the phone. You then have the chance to ask all technical questions directly from the mechanic who has inspected your vehicle. You then receive a comprehensive written report within 24 hours of the inspection. If you are far away or can't attend the inspection, we have made it easy for you. Your report will contain a large picture album showing you all visible parts of the vehicle, as well as all reported defects to help you see everything with your own eyes and save you a trip to the location. Your report will also include a full vehicle history report to ensure the vehicle's integrity and legality. Just visit lastcheck.com.au, book your inspection and leave the rest to us.